Hi everyone and welcome to Owen's kitchen. Today I'm going to make chicken and salad wrap and the other one chicken and bacon with cheese wrap. This is easy and simple and you can use any leftover meat with filling. So let's get started. Here I have 350 grams of chicken, cut them into julienne size. First marinate the chicken. Half teaspoons of onion powder, half teaspoons of garlic powder, half teaspoons of paprika, some black pepper, 2 teaspoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, and 1 egg white. Just give that a good mix around. Now I'm going to leave this to marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. I've got shredded iceberg lettuce, or you can use any lettuce, some tomatoes, English cucumber, and red pepper. Here, thinly sliced 1 white onion and 1 red onion. For the bacon wrap, I got smoked bacon cut into small size and grated mozzarella cheese, or you can use any types of cheese. I'm going to use tortilla for wrapping, or you can use anything you like. Next, I'm going to make lovely sauce for the chicken wrap. First, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. If you want to, you can use light mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, black pepper, and some lemon juice. Mix all that together, then set it aside. Now I am ready to fry the chicken. Add in 2 teaspoons of sunflower oil into the pan. When it's hot, add seasoned chicken and let that cook for about 3 to 4 minutes to get a good sear on the first side. Then stir and continue to fry for another 5 to 6 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked. Now transfer the chicken into a separate bowl. Now into the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil and fry the bacon. On medium-high heat, cook for about 3 minutes to get a little bit of crispy. Now transfer into the same bowl. Now into the same pan, I'm going to cook these onions without adding any oil. Just fry these about 2 to 3 minutes, or you can put these in a row into your wrap, but I prefer a little bit of crispy. Now I am going to move on to the next step and going to lightly brush with a little bit of olive oil. Spread them both sides. Now warm up the tortilla wrap into the pan. On medium heat, cook for about 30 seconds on each side. Now this is ready. Place the tortilla wrap on a plate and spread some sauce. Now add filling to the center of the wrap, some lettuce, red peppers, cucumbers, tomato, chicken, onions, more sauce over the top. Now fold tightly to form a burrito shape. Now roll as tight as possible to avoid the filling become loose. You can use whatever salad items you like the most. You can add sweet corn, pickle, anything you like. Now I'm going to make bacon wrap. Spread some mozzarella cheese, some chicken, bacon, onions, more cheese over the top, and fold it up and pop that straight into the pan and press firmly with a spatula and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until the tortilla is lightly golden brown. Then flip this over to cook the other side. Now it's done. Here you have chicken and salad wrap and chicken bacon with cheese wrap. This is extremely easy to make. You can add any topping that you have. And I want to thank Charmindi for giving me this lovely recipe, and thank you so much. Looks so delicious. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.